Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and this lecture I am going to teach you options in composition panel and also in project panel. So you can see that definitely in composition panel we have these options and in project panel we have these options. So in this lecture we are going to understand what is the work of these options. So the first option we have, that is edges exposure. So what is mean by that? In easy word we can say the brightness. Let's say if I want to change the brightness, so how can I change brightness? If I just simply click on it and then here I can type value, or if I just simply click and drag, so definitely with the help of this I can also change brightness. If I go to left side, so definitely I will get minus value, and if I go to right side, so definitely I will get plus value, and it means increase. Getting me? So as you can see that now I am increasing and decreasing definitely brightness. Getting me? So let's say if I want to change the brightness, what I do, I will come here and I will change brightness. Getting me? So in easy word we can say that definitely this is for brightness. Then we have the option of flowchart. So what is mean by flowchart? If I click on it, so definitely it will show us this, and definitely in this we have definite column, and if I click on this plus, so now as you can see that right now it is showing this. Getting me? So what is mean by that? Flowchart, in easy word we can say that with the help of flowchart we can easily see that what is on the composition. Definitely, as you know that if we go in composition menu, and if we go in new composition, if I click on OK, so definitely I get a new composition. Getting me? So if definitely, as you can see that definitely this is composition, and on this composition if I want to know that how many things are, so definitely with the help of flowchart I can easily see. Definitely showing us if I click on plus, so definitely again, so definitely will show us definitely on this composition we have definitely this picture. Getting me? So with the help of this definitely I can see that what is on my composition. Getting me? Then we have the option of definitely view. So as you can see that right now I have just one view, but let's say if I want to take two views, definitely I can also getting me. So let's say if I want to see vertical, if I want to see left side. Getting me? So if I want to get a view from the left side, definitely I can also see. Getting me? From the right side, from the top, definitely I can also see. Getting me? So definitely these views, definitely with the help of these views I can see my view. Let's say I have one object. Getting me? But let's say if I want to see my object from the left side, from the right side, from top to bottom, definitely I can also see. Getting me? So this is the work of these views. Getting me? If I say one view, so definitely I don't have any view anymore. Then we have the option of active camera. Definitely we have not discussed yet that what is mean by camera, but definitely when we understand that how to use camera, definitely at that time we also learned that how to use these options, and definitely what is mean by front camera, left camera, and top camera. Getting me? So definitely here we have the option of camera. So if I take any camera and if I want to see my top or left camera, definitely I can also see. Getting me? But definitely we have not definitely we have understood what is mean by camera, so definitely this option is useless for us right now. Getting me? Then we have the option of toggle transparency. Transparency means that if I click on it, so you can see that right now it is showing me transparent. Getting me? So definitely if I go in composition, if I click on new composition, so definitely I get this color. So definitely this color is transparent, it's just for us. But let's say if I want to see my color back, so how can I see? If I click on it, then it will show me my color. Getting me? So definitely with the help of this I can see my transparent. Getting me? Let's say if I want to see that what is transparent on this composition, definitely I can also see. Getting me? Then we have the option of region of interest. As you can see that right now I have this image, but let's say if I want to just work with the top part of this image, so how can I work? If I click on this region of interest, so if I click on region of interest, so what it will do, if I just do zoom in a little bit so that you can see. Okay, it's fine. So yeah, it's coming. Okay, so let's say if I just want to work, if I have just work with top part, so how can I work? If I click on this, so then as you can see, so you can see that right now it is showing me just this part. Getting me? Except this part I'm not able to see. Getting me? So let's say if I have just worked with this part. Getting me? So region of interest, so we are showing our interest. We are not interested in whole picture, we are just interested the part or region of one region of the picture. Getting me? So let's say if I'm just interested, if I just want to see this part of my picture, so what I do, I will take the help of region of interest. In a region of interest, what it will give me, definitely it will give me this bounding box, and with the help of this I can change the way and height of this, getting me. So definitely this is the work of region of interest. If you don't want, just simply click again on it, and that friend you will, it will give you your original picture. Then we have the option of resolution. Definitely if you want to get full resolution, means full means it will give you a full color, the half color, third, quarter. Definitely if you want to give, definitely you can also get. Then we have the option of RGB. Definitely, as you guys know that whatever I am seeing and whatever you are seeing is because of RGB. If we mix RGB, means if we mix red, green, blue together, so definitely then we get a new color, getting me. So if definitely if I say RGB, so definitely as you can see that right now it is showing me all colors. But let's say if I just want to see red, if I just want to see green, if I just want to see blue, so I can also see. But if I want to see all, I will click on RGB, then it will show me all colors. Then we have the option of snap. Let's say if I want to take the snap, or if I want to take the picture, so how can I take the picture of this composition? I have to just simply click on this, and then I will get the picture. Getting me? Where can you find this picture? If you go in your documents, or if you go in your downloads, so definitely if you what you need to do, you need to go in documents, and then in pictures, so definitely you will find your this picture they are getting me. Then we have current time indicator. It will show you current time. If I take the help of this current time indicator, so it is showing me time here, getting me. So wherever is it, definitely it is showing me this time, getting me. So this is the work of this, it shows time. Then we have title or action scale safe. So here it is showing us definitely that if you go out of this boundary, if you go out of this line, then you will not be able to see your video or anything. So it is showing us this our boundary. So definitely we can, with the help of this, we can see our boundary. Or if I want to see grid, I can also see grid. And then we have rulers. If I want to see rulers, I can also see. Rulers are very useful. Why are they useful? If I off this, and if I go, okay guys, if I just simply click and drag, and if I take space here, if I click and drag, so what it is giving us, it is giving us a line. Definitely this ruler is giving us line, and with the help of this line I can arrange my work. If I want, if this is my space, let's say this is my space, so with the help of these lines, definitely these lines are guiding me, these lines are guiding me, and definitely it's showing me that Naveed, this is your place. Okay, so definitely with the help of these lines I can do my work very easily. Then last, what do we have? We have zoom option. So if I want to change zoom, if I want to get 100% zoom, if I want to get 50% zoom, I can also do. Here if I come here, so here we have the option definitely in project panel. If I want to delete this picture, so how can I delete? First I will select this picture, or if first I will select this, and then I will click on this 10, and then it's asking, do you really want to delete? If I click on delete, and then as you can see that right now it is showing me it is not showing me that picture, getting me. So let's say if you want to delete anything, so definitely with the help of this thing you can delete. Then we have the option of composition. Definitely if you go in composition menu and click on new composition, then it will show you this option. Or if you want to create composition, so here we also have the option, here we also have the shortcut. So you don't need to go in composition menu then new composition. If you directly click on it, then it will show you this window, and here you can also create composition, getting me. Then we have the option called definitely create new folder. Let's say if I want to create a new folder, so I can also do. And if I want to put something inside this folder, so what I have to do, first I have to select that thing, and I have to do like this, and then if I click on this, so you can see that right now it is showing me what is inside this folder. So this is a work of definitely this is a work of this, and definitely the folders are very useful. Let's say if you want to arrange anything, so definitely folders are very useful, getting me. So this was a lecture on these options, definitely composition options and project options in Adobe After Effects. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah Hafiz, and I will meet you in the next. Till then, Allah Hafiz.